Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's the day we're going to be taking my 180 and Matt's GTR roll racing at Meremere Dragway tonight. So that's going to be super exciting, super fun, and it's actually my first time roll racing. So how are you feeling about roll racing tonight?
I feel pretty good, but roll racing, I think it'll suit the GTR a bit better because it's a bit laggy. If I can roll in 40k's first gear, hopefully I can get into boost nice and quick. It's easier on the gear, it's not as hard on the car.
So firstly we have to get both of these cars ready to go tonight. We've actually found a boost leak in the 180. There's a vacuum line down here that's been torn. We're going to be fixing that today, just putting a new line in there. And for the GTR, all Matt needs to do is put some ethanol in it and then it's all ready to go. Are you ready for some roll racing?
Yeah. I'm ready. I think I'm running at E20.
E20?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, so we're not full power, so if I lose, it's the ethanol.
That's your excuse. So I'm now jumping in the 180. Matt's just jumped in the GTR. We're now on our way.
We just had a truck tyre blowout in front of us and it's hit the GTR there.
What happened?
Truck tyre blew next to us.
Hey.
Blew out and then shot out, hit the panel.
I didn't see that at all. I think I was in front of you guys.
Yeah, you were in front of us. And then
Have a look. Look at this.
big bit of rubber came through.
Holy heck, that's so bad.
We started picking up, but it's just the outer rim popped and shot.
Yeah.
And then it ripped off.
No, I didn't see it. I didn't hear it either.
Wait, we were right next to this truck, and then we were looking at the bonnet, and we were like, oh, is that bonnet loose? And then we just this massive bang, and I thought that my motor blew up. Yeah, it was like smoke. I was like, what the heck?
Was it scary?
And then and then this truck tire next to us just and then parts flying everywhere.
Did you
and
get a number plate or something?
Nah, but Greg will be coming through soon, so I'm gonna get him to hopefully. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's just too dense, but.
That's crazy. No, that's bad, Oi.
Nah, I was expecting the whole quarter smacked in it. I mean, yeah,
I guess it's just two there.
That's on top of the paint.
So you're about to buff that
Yeah, it's
out.
just the two dents.
Oh, that's annoying.
Wait, but I heard it hit the car. It
Yeah.
felt it sounded like someone shot the car. Yeah. It was 10
Lucky that
meters.
didn't happen to me, Oi. I would have freaked.
Yeah. So we just got here. We're in line for scrutineering. Just gonna go fill out some forms and get the car checked, and then we can get into it.
Greg just pulled in as well.
Tayla is lining up for her first roll race ever, so she'll come through soon. But yeah, real excited.
I did my first ever roll race. I feel like that was pretty easy, but I feel like I didn't change gears fast enough. I hit limiter too quick and I didn't change fast enough. So yeah, I know for next time now. I hit limiter real quick, I needed to change it earlier.
We heard it.
Yeah. I was like, no, I need more power, but it's just his limiter is so quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
It was first and second.
Yeah.
Yeah, then I need to
I
change.
heard the second one.
Did you win that one?
Yeah, I won.
Oh, did you?
Was it close?
It looked close at the end.
Oh, I couldn't see him. I couldn't see him next to me, but I couldn't see him behind me. And I looked in the rear view mirror because I was like, oh, did he have a dud run? But he must have been like in my blind spot, but I definitely won. Yeah. Alright, so Greg and Taylor are lining up. I can't believe this has happened. Alright, here comes Greg and Taylor lined up on each other. Taylor sees the stage. Come on, Taylor! Come on, Taylor! I think she's got it!
This is actually a three-competitor entry event for rotary up-fleet.
Oh, I think Greg got it. We'll have to see when they come back. Ah, there's Taylor. Who won?
I don't know, it was so close.
What, you don't know?
I don't know. I couldn't tell.
Oh.
It would have been like a tie almost.
Actual?
Yeah.
Oh. On the lights, it said Greg won. I think that flashing light.
Oh, really?
But I thought you won just looking at it, like,
Yeah.
but I don't
It was
know.
super close.
Yeah, they're like the same power.
It had
like.
me in third. Like,
Oh, you had them at the start though.
30 was catching up.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Because, yeah, I definitely had him off the line.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's Matt now. Is that a Honda Civic?
Yeah.
Matt's actually pretty quick, eh?
Yeah.
I reckon like roll racing, like his car's set up really good for roll racing.
Yeah, definitely, especially because he's got like a smaller tyres on the back. He doesn't have the sponge from launching, but rolling in can at least have some traction going.
Hi, my name's Matt. I drive a fast ass sports car and I just spanked this Honda Civic.
We'll have our drivers briefing. We'll get into the competition.
Are you winning?
Oh, it's cool.
You got walked?
Yeah, it's cool.
What was it?
I don't know, it's that B-man, and then that
Oh, wait, that is quick. Got the Gigmobile, the Matmobile, the Tayla. Time for driver's briefing now, so we're all going to the start line, going to get briefed, and then I think we're into eliminations after that. So.
We've got a series that works, so start following the series. It's much easier on your vehicle, not very hard on the driveline. And it's just fun. How it works is the right lane, just go at your 50k, 55k pace as per usual. Don't worry about who's on your left hand side. You just go like you're going. Our marker or our clicker will click it, knowing that you're coming at whatever speed you are coming at. The left hand lane, just keep up with the right hand car. And the following distance should be no more than probably a door or like a guard.
We're all briefed. Gonna run four-wheel drive turbos first, and then I'll probably get knocked out. But yeah, and then we're gonna go to two-wheel drive turbo. And it'll be Taylor's turn.
There's Matt now in the far lane.
Right, man, stop.
It's easier on the gear, like it's not as hard on the car.
Develop that noise.
Yeah, I've got no third, I think. Oh man, I don't know. I went to go in third and then it was nothing, eh?
Yeah, that's common on these.
Yeah, third, eh?
I know a guy that had one blowing in third, he just drove first, second,
Oh.
fourth. Months until he could get his new gearbox.
Got first. Alright, I'll head back. Oh man, I just didn't know what to do, eh? Do you reckon that's alright? Okay. Hey.
Are you coming back down or can you not drive it?
I'm coming back down, but it sounds bad. I blew third gear.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna need trailering home.
Oh really?
Yeah, I'm like, it sounds bad.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
So what are we gonna do?
I don't know, we need to make a plan.
We should have bought the trailer.
I know, this is like, if you didn't bring the trailer, it's gonna happen. If we did, it wouldn't have happened.
Oh yeah. Can you film it?
It sounds bad.
Are you getting towed?
No, I'm driving.
Oh, you're driving.
Yeah, I have first and second, but it's like rattly ahead.
Oh yeah.
No one offered me a tow. He's like, just drive it. And I was like, what the hell? But it doesn't matter because like even in neutral you can hear it.
Should I still brake?
I don't know, we need to make a plan for getting this trailer. Yeah. Alright, I'm back now.
I'll come over to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just like, and then like I chucked it in neutral and then all I could hear is just like, just sounds like metal flying around. Like I just neutral rolled the whole way to the end and you can just hear it like even like just sitting on the spot like. Wait, so you just drive first gear back? First and second, go to third, nothing there. Just,
Can you go to fourth?
I didn't try. It sounds so bad.
Like, is it like really loud?
Yeah, it's just like rattly. Like I definitely have no third gear, so it's definitely that. Yeah. I was like wondering, yeah. But yeah, I don't know why. Like in neutral, it must just still have spinning parts in it. So
Neutral shaft.
it's just
nothing.
It's just chunks of metal flying around in the box. Yeah. Like I'm pretty sure it just fully stripped third gears. I'm so sad.
I'm just like, it is what it is. That's the game
Yeah.
you play when you get into fast cars.
Yeah, yeah. It's gonna happen at some point, like stock box. What do you expect?
We just got to get on the saving grind.
Yeah. There she is. She's been wrecked tonight. Got hit by a truck tire blowing up. And blew third gear. Just another day in the life of GTR. Made it back with the trailer on Bounty. Here's Greg and Christoph.
Wait, because everyone does that, bro. They just go, oh yeah, it's got no big deal.
Yeah, but when it was sounded so bad, heel brake. I was like, yeah, I drove it forward a bit. I was like, oh, yeah, that sounded all good. We're all loaded up. Rip third gear. Finally back home. It's pretty late now. I'm pretty tired. GTR back in the shed. Oh, thank you for owning a trailer. Man, the amount of times I've had to rescue our cars from Meremere Dragway and the track. Definitely getting my money's worth. GTR, it's going to be off the road for a while. I got to save up for, I think I'm going to get a dog box or something like that. But I really just don't have the funds right now. So yeah, it kind of, I wouldn't say it suits me well. But yeah, I'm about to get busy on farm, so probably not even going to look at it for the next 2 months. Start looking for a good deal. If you guys know of a R32 Gtr dog box or stronger gearbox, I'm not going to go back stock box. It's not worth it. Reliable 180. She did well tonight, and yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Tayla got to get a couple of runs in, and we've got to run against the FD. Like and subscribe. Drop down below maybe recommendations on a new gearbox for the GTR. What do you guys reckon? What should I do? I want a ball on a budget. And also, yeah, I don't know if you guys saw the damage. That bloody truck tire blew out right next to me. I don't know if you guys can see 2 dents. Bloody hell. What a night. What a night. What a night. What a night. Yeah. Good content, eh? Alright. Catch you guys later. Like and subscribe.